So I installed 12 sets of blinds in this house this weekend. I didn't get them all recorded, but it was quite a job and it was super fun to get it done for a friend. This is her house. First up is you want to measure the windows. I would suggest measuring in several places and going with the smallest measurement before you purchase your blinds. So let's do an unboxing of the blind itself and all the pieces that go along with it. So this is going to be your trim piece that goes on the front to just make it look nice. This is the actual blind itself. We have to install some pieces on the edges. This is your blind opener. It just pops right in. These new blinds are amazing because they don't have strings. And then we've got this stuff right here. So let's open that little box up. Okay, so I don't use all the pieces. I don't use these. I do put these corner pieces on unless the blind is a little too big to go in. Again, these are the bottom pieces. I'll show you how to do those. These attach that pretty piece at the top. I'll show you how to pop them in. I don't use these to secure it to the bottom because I like to open my blinds, but you can. Also, more corner pieces that I don't use. These are what you use to pop the blinds in, and they are installed on the top, which is amazing. And then here are your screws. And then let's take a look at what you do here. So you've got these pieces right here, and these pieces are what go on the edges. So let's take a look here. So see if I can get that in and show you a good view. But you just basically pop it in and push it in. Super easy. And you do that the same on that side, but then you also have a bottom piece right here that goes in. And then you pop that in. I'm gonna need 2 hands. Oh, well, look at me, I did it with 1. Okay. So you do those on both sides. Then you have this piece right here. And it's got this awesome little sticky thing, so you don't have to hold it up there while you put it on. I completely forgot that when I did my very first blind install. Because guys, I have like 12 blinds to install in this house. You're not gonna see all of them because I started before I started recording. But yeah, so there you go. We're gonna plaster that up there, put the screws into these holes right there, and that's it. Then you pop the blind in, and you kind of have to hammer hard to get those blinds in sometime to get them positioned right. Here's the fast forward of what it looks like to install this many blinds in a house. Enjoy! By the last blind, I was so exhausted putting them in. If you have some hints and tips on how to hammer those blinds in and get them in easier than I was doing, leave a comment in the section below and let me know what you did.